Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm going to do a quick video here duplicating a Sargent LA key. There's our key right here in our cylinder. And we're going to duplicate it on the Black Widow. Just continuing the series of cutting keys on the Black Widow that the X-Force Dolphin can't do. So this is going to be a shoulder stop key. So we get it into the S2 clamp on the B jaw there. And we'll grab the app and just go to standard keys. And we're going to Sargent, large pin, working on a 6-pin key, and just going to hit decode. Now the machine will actually decode it for us. So it's decoded it. There's our bidding right there, 527843. So it cut here, do a 2mm cutter, speed 7's fine. And we go and put the blank key in. And then of course we'll test it out here, make sure that it works here. So there's our blank Sargent LA. Once again, shoulder stop. Get it clamped in there good. And just hit OK, and the machine will do its thing here. So a couple of quick passes and keys cut. We'll go ahead and just test it out here, make sure that it works, of course. So there's our cut key looks like and works perfectly. So there is a Sargent LA 6-pin key cut on the Black Widow, and just once again another key that the X-Force Dolphin cannot cut, and one that I cut quite frequently. And I'm actually pretty excited to have this machine now to cut almost specifically these keys. So anyway, that's all I got for this video. You guys have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments, and until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.